Stock number 40576W. It's a 2016 Toyota Highlander. It does have the key. It does not start. It's a hybrid. The battery's dead. The hood is in good condition. Nothing's wrong with the hood. These cars are so close together, it's hard to get a good video. Right here's got a little bit of surface scratch. It does have a key, it doesn't start. It's a hybrid, the battery's dead. All the parts that are missing are in the back. Interior's black. All the plastics and headrests and everything are back here. The chairs, seats, floor mats, everything. Center dash, everything. Again, this is stock number 40576W. It's a 2016 Toyota Highlander. It does have the key, does not start. It's a hybrid. The battery is dead.